Okay, Billy Joel's not too loud in the background. The back door is propped open while I'm cleaning the puppy's room. And look at this! Oh, they're having a good time. They're bugging Reggie. Reggie gets a little pissed too. Hi, babies. Oh, there's Raina. There's Beanie. And here's all 5 puppies. Hello, puppies. Hello, puppies. They like outside. Yes, they do. They're eating grass. Raina showed them how to do that. Hopefully we're not going to be eating bark like Reggie's been doing lately. Oh, Reggie. ZB was the last one to go out. She was being shy, but there she is. Hi, ZB. The bravest one was Tawny. She came out first. She almost came out through the doggy door, but I had to prop the door open. Oh, look! Somebody's got a prize! Bitsy has a prize. She has a leaf. And Freckles found a duck. Ooh! Outside is fun. Oh, yes. Plus it keeps them busy while I clean their room. They are so cute. That one, Freckles, is going to have a heck of an underbite. Her teeth might even show. Reggie, you're so good. Oh, I see. You've taught him to wash your face. This is the only reason she puts up with him. If they do any more than wash her face, she gets nasty and growls. But if they wash her face, then they are granted her patience. See, like Beanie's washing her face. Reggie likes that. Boy, is she getting gray-haired. Hey, Bits! Did you find another prize? Thank heavens it's February, so there's no fleas. They're too young yet. They're coming up on 8 weeks. But this is good. I'm able to give them the inside and the outside experience. What you doing, Butch? Did you find a toy? It's the only boy, Butch. Butchie, Butchie. Hi, Raina Roo. Okay, I gotta go put the